Hello students, today we will discuss the first chapter of Footprints Without Feet. The name of the chapter is A Triumph of Surgery, written by James Herriot. Before starting this story, I want to tell you something about the writer James Herriot. His real name is James Alfred White. He was born in 1916 and died in 1995. He was a renowned veterinary surgeon and writer. He wrote a series of books of stories about animals and their masters. He is best known for semi-autobiographical works. There are three characters in this story. You can see the character on the main screen. First, Mrs. Pamphry. She was a rich lady with a lot of love for pet dog. Second character of this chapter, Mr. Herriot. He was a genius veterinary surgeon and had a deep understanding of veterinary medical science and psychology. Third character of this chapter, Tricky. Tricky was a small dog. He was pampered and overfed by his mistress. Pampered means here shown excessive indulgence. It means बहुत ज़्यादा लाड प्यार करना, कि ट्रिकी को उसकी मिस्ट्रेस के द्वारा बहुत ज़्यादा लाड प्यार किया जाता था. Tricky is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. He falls seriously ill and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. So, in this story, we will discover what was the problem with Tricky, how did Tricky fall ill, and how does the doctor treat the dog, and the doctor will be success in his treatment or not, कि डॉक्टर जो है वो अपने ट्रीटमेंट में सक्सेस होता है या नहीं होता है. जैसा कि टाइटल ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, अ ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी. ट्रायम्फ मीन्स विक्ट्री, कि ही वॉज सक्सेसफुल इन हिज सर्जरी. Look at the first stanza. I am going to explain the meaning of lines that you are watching on the main screen. First stanza, I was really worried about Tricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress and I was shocked at his appearance. I was really worried. I here refers to writer James Herriot. He was also the narrator of the story. He was really worried about Tricky this time. The narrator starts telling us that how he was worried about Tricky, a pet dog. ठीक है, Tricky is a pet dog. कि one day Dr. James Herriot went to Mrs. Pamphry's house to check up the dog Tricky. He stopped his car as he saw Tricky with his mistress in the street. I was shocked at his appearance. It means Mr. Herriot was shocked at Tricky's appearance. He had become hugely fat, like a bloated sausage. Bloated means here swollen. Sausage means cooked meat, with a leg at each corner. His eyes bloodshot and rheumy. Rheumy means watery discharge from nose or ears, and bloodshot means full of red lines. Stared means looked straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaws. Lolled means hung out the tongue. It means the writer is saying here that Mr. Herriot was shocked at Tricky's appearance. What was shocking scene? कि he had become extremely fat. जो Tricky था वो बहुत ज़्यादा fat हो चुका था. He looked like a bloated sausage. His eyes were red and watery. His tongue was lolling. So Mr. Herriot is thinking here, these are not good signs for Tricky. कि वो ये साइंस देखता है और सोचता है कि these signs जो है वो उसकी हेल्थ के लिए अच्छे साइन नहीं थे. Mrs. Pamphry hastened to explain. He was so listless, Mr. Herriot. He seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. So I have been giving him some little extras between meals to build him up some malt, cod liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. In this line, Mrs. Pamphry is explaining about the condition of Tricky. कि she said, वो क्या कहती है कि the dog had not enough energy in him. Hastened means here quickened, quickly explain. Mrs. Pamphry quickly explain कर रही है the dog had not enough energy in him. She thought that the dog was suffering from malnutrition. Malnutrition means lack of a good diet, कि उसके अच्छी डाइट की जो नीड है. So she started giving him more malt, cod liver and Horlicks so that Tricky could take a good sleep at night. So Mrs. Pamphry क्या करती है, Tricky को extra diet देती जा रही है. That is harmful for Tricky. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? In this line, the doctor is asking Mrs. Pamphry if she had cut down on his sweets. Oh, I did for a bit, but he seemed to be so weak, I had to relent. He does love cream cakes and chocolate, so I can't bear to refuse him. Here, Mrs. Pamphry replied that, क्या reply करती है? He was getting weaker. He represent here, dog. He was getting weaker, so she was unable to refuse him cakes and chocolate because these are his favorite things. क्यों सारी उसकी favorite things थी, तो Mrs. Pamphry उसे refuse नहीं कर सकती थी. I looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed. He had never been known to refuse food. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. And I wondered about all the things Mrs. Pamphry had not mentioned. It means then doctor understood Tricky's problem. Problem को समझ जाता है. The dog was very greedy. उसने क्या देखा? The dog was very greedy and could eat any time of the day. So again he is asking, क्या पूछ रहा है? Are you giving him plenty of exercise? कि Tricky was exercising or not? At this, इस पर क्या reply करती है Mrs. Pamphry? Well, he has his little walks with me, as you can see. But Hodgkin, the gardener, it means Hodgkin, the name of the gardener, has been down with lumbago. Lumbago means back pain. कि gardener was suffering from back pain. So there has been no ring throwing lately. Here, Mrs. Pamphry replied that she took him out for little walks, but her gardener was ill. He was suffering from back pain, so there could be no ring throwing exercises. I tried to sound severe. Now I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. In these lines, the narrator tried to talk seriously to Mrs. Pamphry. क्या कह रहा है seriously? He told that if she did not control Tricky's eating habits and increased his exercise, he would soon fall ill. So she must keep him on a strict diet. कि उसके साथ strictness उसे follow करना पड़ेगा. Mrs. Pamphry wrung her hands. Oh, I will, Mr. Harriet. I'm sure you are right. But it is so difficult, so very difficult. She set off, head down along the road, as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. Regime here, a system of doing things regarding food. कि food से related वो अपना एक system बनाना चाहती थी. कि Mrs. Pamphry क्या reply करती है? It means Mrs. Pamphry accepted the advice of Dr. Harriet, but it was too difficult for her to refuse him for anything. कि उसे कोई भी चीज ना दे, ऐसा उसके लिए बहुत difficult task था. She was now ready to follow the new routine properly. कि वो ऐसे गई जैसे कि वो अभी नया routine उसके लिए strictly follow करेगी ही. I watched their progress with growing concern. In these lines, डॉक्टर ऑब्जर्व्ड ट्रिकी विद ग्रोइंग कंसर्न कि उसकी कंडीशन को देखकर वो थोड़ा वरिड हो जाता है. ट्रिकी वॉज टॉटरिंग अलोंग इन हिज लिटल ट्विड कॉट. टॉटरिंग अलोंग मीन्स स्टैगरिंग, लड़खड़ाना. ट्विड कॉट मीन्स वुलन कॉट. ही हैड अ होल वार्डरोब ऑफ दीज कोट्स फॉर द कोल्ड वेदर एंड अ रेन कोट for the wet days. It means he saw that Tricky could not walk properly. He was staggering along in his little woolen coat. He struggled on dropping in his harness. Harness means either leather strap. It means lagam. I thought it would not be long before I heard from Mrs. Pamphry. It means, but narrator knew that one more thing here, that he would be receiving a call about Tricky's falling ill. कि वो इस बात को जानता था कि उसने जब कंडीशन देखी ट्रिकी की, कंडीशन देखने के बाद उसे पता था कि मिसेस पैम्फ्री उसे जरूर कॉल करेगी कि वो कभी भी बीमार हो सकता है. The expected call came within a few days. It means Mrs. Pamphry made a call to Dr. Harriet. Expected call मतलब उस डॉक्टर हैरियट को पता था कि उसके पास मिसेस पैम्फ्री की कॉल आएगी. उसने एक्सपेक्टेशन की थी इस बात की. मिसेस पैम्फ्री वॉज डिस्ट्राउट. डिस्ट्राउट मीन्स हियर सैड होना, अपसेट होना. इट मीन्स शी वॉज वेरी अपसेट. ट्रिकी वुड ईट नथिंग. Tricky would eat nothing, refused even his favorite dishes, and besides, he had bouts of vomiting. He spent all his time lying on a rug, panting, didn't want to go for walks, didn't want to do anything. Panting means होता है हाफना, सांस लेना ज़्यादा. And rug means here blanket, woolen blanket. She told doctor. डॉक्टर को क्या कहती है? Tricky was not eating anything. He had refused to eat even his favorite dishes. He was vomiting frequently. He spent all his time lying on a rug. एक woolen blanket पर लेटा रहता है. And he didn't do anything. और वो कुछ भी नहीं करता. So all these symptoms made Mrs. Pamphry worry. कि उसे चिंतित कर देते हैं. ये सारे जो symptoms हैं उनको देखकर वो अपसेट हो जाती है. I had made my plans in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight. Fortnight here 14 days, and to be kept under observation. So in these lines the doctor is suggesting, क्या suggest कर रहा है? The doctor is suggesting here he made the plan to cure Tricky. Tricky को उसने क्योर करने के इलाज करने के लिए प्लान बना लिया है. What is the doctor suggest here? So the doctor is suggesting here he had made the plan to cure Tricky by shifting him to the hospital for about 14 days. कितने दिनों तक? 14 days. और Tricky should be kept under observation. The poor lady almost swooned. It means after listening these कि Tricky required hospitalization, the poor lady almost swooned means fainted. She almost fainted हो जाती है. She was sure he would pine and die. Pine means here lament करना, रोना, विलाप करना. And if he did not see her every day, it means she thought that if Tricky did not see his mistress, he would pine and could die also. Clear this stanza? So we have done 2 pages of this chapter. Next we will do in the next video. I hope you are getting. Thank you.